welcome to Mitzvah Torah. This year is entitled Can a Child Fulfill a Mitzvah for an Adult? Part 2. In the first shiur, we saw something very surprising. The Shulchan Aruch paskins a child who's a gil chinuch, 8, 9, 10, understand what he's doing, understands the bracha that he's saying. He can actually say a bracha for an adult. For it would seem that hamotzi sitting around the table, he could say hamotzi for everyone. So there is a bit of a caveat. Shulchan Aruch just writes as long as he's chayiv and as long as the adult is not chayiv the oraita from a biblical level, because then clearly you're not on the same plane. You need to both be obligated in the same level. And if it's a doraita mitzvah like benching, where the adult has a big meal and the child's on drabanan, clearly cannot make that work. However, if they're both drabanan, it would seem to be ostensibly it's fine. However, it's not so simple. The Gemara Yud Tet Amra Bet in Megillah talks about a case of a katan reading the Megillah. Can he read for adults or not? And the Tosfos over there says the machlokes revolves around trei drabanan. Can two drabanans be motzi someone with one drabanan? Maybe the two drabanan is too diluted, meaning a child is chayiv in the Megillah to Esther, where Megillah Esther is itself drabanan, but he doesn't have to do any mitzvah drabanan. Who says he does? The Rabbanan say because of chinuch. So you need the combination of the rabbinic law of chinuch plus rabbinic law of Megillah. That's called trei drabanan. And Tosa says that is the issue that's going on here. Maybe trei drabanan is considered to be a weaker level chiyuv than one drabanan, which is every adult. When it's rabbinic mitzvah, it's only one drabanan. We don't need an additional push of chinuch. Right, and adults are chayiv because of the mitzvah drabanan. So therefore, the Mishnah Shulchan Aruch doesn't address the question of trei drabanan in Kuf Peivav. He just says you could be motzi an adult as long as you're not chayiv seviyah. He didn't have a doraita meal. The Mishnah Berurah brings down the question. He says not so simple. That once it's trei drabanan, two drabanans, maybe that's a weaker level chiv, and therefore a child could not say the bracha for an adult in that case. So then what would the Shulchan Aruch be talking about? The case would be where the kid ate a big full meal, so it's a svia doraita meal, and the only drabanan is chinuch, while the adult ate a small meal, so he is chayiv on one drabanan. In fact, he had a kazais, a small meal. The kid is chayiv drabanan one time because it's a full doraita meal, but there's only one drabanan of chinuch, and therefore on the same plane. So the Ma'isa, this limits it quite a bit. Chazon Ish and others do hold like that position that's stringent, that two drabanans cannot fulfill the mitzvah for one drabanan. And therefore, the Ma'isa, we don't usually take advantage of this halacha. But it's fascinating to know that according to Din, a child is chayiv in the mitzvot of chinuch, that once he's age, he's chayiv truly in the mitzvah. It's not just the father that's drawn after him, but he himself is truly chayav. He's a bar chayiv of the mitzvah. So if it's a little complicated, can he be motzi us? That's not so simple. But the idea that he's chayiv in the mitzvah should give a lot of weight and understanding to the seriousness of chinuch. Shalom.